Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be making our own vitamin C serum. Super excited. I've never done it before. And it's supposed to be very easy. Vitamin C is very, very good for the skin. What it does, it provides antioxidants. It's a very, very good antioxidant. It also helps to build collagen. So it's a very good anti-aging ingredient. And it's really good for hypopigmentation. Hypopigmentation. It's a difficult word. So normally... Exactly. So normally vitamin C serums are very expensive. So this is going to be very, very cheap. And you can do it at home and you can redo it often, because the problem with vitamin C is that it oxidizes very quickly and it doesn't last very long. So this way you can just make your own fresh serum every couple of weeks. Okay, what are we going to need for this serum? We are going to need vitamin C. So you want to get a vitamin C powder. Pure vitamin C powder. By the way, this is not dirty. This part, it has been exposed to light, so there was some powder that it oxidized. So that's what it is. So you need vitamin C. You need distilled water, which I have here. You need a bottle. You need baking soda because you need to adjust the pH, and you need the pH strips, and that's it. Okay, so what I did is I cleaned this bottle with alcohol and then I rinsed it a few times with the distilled water. So I'm going to make half of this bottle. So this is 50 mils, which is like about an ounce and a half. So I'm going to make half. So it's 25 mils, so it's almost half. It's almost an ounce. We had a bit of a disaster because I was trying to get the vitamin C into this with this big little spoon. So yeah, don't do that because you're gonna get vitamin C all over the place. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of water, the distilled water, and 2 spoons. We're gonna do 2.5 because it was 25 milliliters. So it doesn't really have to be that exact because your skin is not going to feel a difference between 5 and 7% or anything like that. So now we can mix it. By the way, I drink this every day. I mix this with water, vitamin C, that's why I have it. And okay, of course this is not going to mix properly. Yes, so I drink usually 1 scoop in half a liter of vitamin C.
And how much vitamin C is that?
This is 1,000 milligrams, I believe. Yes, 1,000 milligrams. They say to mix it with 200 mils, but it's actually better to mix it with a larger amount than just kind of sip it through the day. Okay, so as you can see, we're doing this for the first time. And I don't have experience making this. Okay, so mix this until this is dissolved. Okay, this is almost dissolved. Keep mixing. Okay, so this mixed really well. And now let's try pouring this into the bottle. Okay, this is much better.
But how are you going to get the baking soda in there if you need to use some of it? Wouldn't it have been better to have made the entire batch in that and then poured it into the bottle? Same with testing the pH, it would have been better to probably do it in the cup. Just pour it right back into the cup.
Yeah, but okay. All right, so we have half approximately. So this is 20 mils. So I can just add a little bit more water. Okay, so it's better if you can mix this in a smaller measuring cup so you know exactly how much you're measuring. Okay,
If you have
so
a
now,
funnel, use a funnel.
Yeah, but now, okay, we can pour it back, no? And now we can do the pH measuring. Because now we know that this is proper amount. All right. So, baking soda, we're going to open this. So I'm going to make another video very soon, how to do it properly.
How to do what properly?
mix the serum. Mix the serum. Okay, let's see these papers. Okay. I've never used these before, so this is really exciting. Okay, so now you can dip it into the water. I mean, the... Okay. And now... Okay, so this is, as you can see, very acidic. Between 2, it's about 2. pH 2. But we want something between 3 and 4. So I'm going to add a little baking soda.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it fizzes. How exciting. I feel like a chemist. Okay, let's mix it. It's not mixing very well. Okay, let's keep mixing. Can I use this stick to mix it? It's a clean stick. Okay, let's measure it again. By the way, if you're interested in purchasing these products, we're going to have some links in the description box. Okay. Okay, so this is good. This is 3. So I think one more and we're going to be at... So this is 3, right? Yeah, okay, so a little bit more. We're going to be like at 3.5. Okay. Okay, here. We're going to use a lot of these papers. They're quite expensive. So we saved money. So we saved money on the serum, but we spent a lot of money on the papers. 28 euros for a pack of 100. But next time we'll know. Okay, let's test it again. This needs a lot of that baking soda. Okay, so kind of in between now, right? Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more baking soda. The thing is with the acidity, if the product is too acidic, it's going to irritate the skin. It's not going to be any better and more effective. It's just going to irritate the skin, which obviously is not good. It needs to be a low pH, otherwise it's not working, but it doesn't have to be such low pH that it's really, really irritating. Okay. Good thing we got 100 of these papers. This is crazy. Still more. Oh, I don't want to overdo it. If we overdo it, we just add more vitamin C and we end up with a liter of a solution. Okay. Okay, I'm leaving this the way it is. This is it. So as you can see, it went from, this was the first paper. It's much lighter, right? So it's much less acidic. Alrighty. So now we can pour this into our bottle, into our clean bottle. And let's test it out. So now you can use this on your face, you can use this on your chest, you can use this on your hands. and it's fantastic. Now, what you can do, you can put a serum. The niacinamide is also very, very good for the skin, and it's very good for a skin barrier. So you can put a drop of the niacinamide serum. I have the link in the description box as well. I use it every single day. And then you can put a cream on, and that's it. So I'm gonna use this now every day, and I will let you know in a month or so how this is working. I have this one spot that I want to fade. And obviously you have to use sunscreen, because sunscreen really protects the skin, and you want to make sure that you use sunscreen on your hands and on your face especially, and on your chest. Okay, and now this is very important part of this whole experiment, is that we want to now protect this from light. So a very good way of protecting this from the light is wrapping this in aluminum foil. Just like so.
Kind of like your hats.
Yeah, like your little tin foil hats. Okay, and just keep it, away from the light, because the light can still get in through here. But if you keep it away, it should be good for at least a week or two. It doesn't need any preservatives, because you're gonna be replacing this very quickly. And we know that the product is oxidizing when it's changing color. So when it starts changing color to like a yellowish color, then you know that it's starting to oxidize. Okay, this is it, right, for today's video. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you are going to be making this serum, and let me know how this works for you if you make it. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye. Yes. Okay, so we are going to first take the powder. Okay, this is going to be interesting. We're going to lose some crystals. Okay, this is a bit of a disaster. I'm really sorry. So, oh well, whatever. Yeah.
Take the fingers, put it just above the neck, and then it'll land kind of on the hand and then in.
No, we're gonna make a little funnel. No? Yeah. No, because the funnel is not going to be sterile. Okay, let's see if I'm better with the second scoop. Not really. No, this is a disaster, no? Okay.
So have you figured out how you're going to get around this?
Yes. Okay. So